you is going to go over worksheet 2, which just like worksheet 1 is in your supplemental worksheet packet. It's also linked in Canvas, and you can also click on worksheet 2 right here for a digital copy. Okay, so there's lots of ways that you can access this worksheet. So numbers 1 and 2, we're only reflecting points, and we're reflecting them over the y or x axis. So for number 1, the y axis, A is 2 units away from the y-axis, so A prime is also going to be 2 units away, just on the opposite side. And let me switch to purple so that it's a little bit easier to see. For number 2, we're reflecting over the x-axis, so G is 2 units away. G prime is also going to be 2 units away. So remember that this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, okay? The problems do get a little bit more complicated as you go through the worksheet. Whoops, sorry, I'm trying to make this fit. Okay, there we go. So number 5, we have a quadrilateral, AZIC, and we want to reflect across the y-axis. So remember, that's our vertical axis. And the way we do this is we just figure out the distance of each point from the line of reflection and plot them on the opposite side. So I is 1 unit away. I prime is going to be 1 unit away. Z is 2 units away, so Z prime will be 2 units away. A is 5 units away, so A prime is also going to be 5 units away, and then C is 3 units away, so C prime will be 3 units away. Okay, I plot that. Oops, I connect my vertices, and I can see that I have the perfect mirror image, same size, same shape, just flipped over the y-axis. Okay, now number 10 is a little bit different. Let me see if I can move my face there. There we go. So for number 10, we want to reflect this quadrilateral over the x-axis, but what's interesting is the x-axis goes through the shape. We still do it like we normally would. We just count each vertice's distance away from the line of reflection and then flip it to the other side. So let's start with Q. Q is originally 2 units away from the x-axis, so Q is going to be 2 units away, just on the opposite side, Q prime. P is 3 units away, so P prime is also going to be 3 units away on the opposite side. M is 3 units away, so M prime is going to be 3 units away. And then F is 2 units away, so F prime is going to be 2 units away. And then all I do is I connect my vertices, and I can see that my figure is a perfect reflection of itself. Whoops, I meant to go that way, over the x-axis, okay?